Walmart's got a $19.99 coffee maker. Does it suck? We'll find out. Roll that beautiful truck footage. All right. There we go. Got the single serve coffee maker here. I'm gonna pop her open. See what's down inside of here. So we got our instructions. Yeah, you know what's gonna happen with those. And a little packaging. Pull this out of here like this. Got some stuff falling out. You can see there's nothing in there but packaging. Make sure, yep, it's kind of glued to the bottom there actually. That's just more packaging, more to protect it during shipping. We got us a carafe here. This right, not carafe, damn it. This is going to be for your ground coffee. It actually says it right on the side of the box that it comes with these two things, but you never really know what you're going to get until you get in there. So then what we do is this right here. As you can see here, it's just tape. This is covered with tape. And forgive the lack of fluidity of this video. By nature, an unboxing video is pretty random. Okay, so a big question I think a lot might have, will my coffee mug fit in there? And I don't really have any point of reference for you on that because I don't have myself a travel mug other than the big like 50 ounce like Loves that you see in the Loves truck stops. But you can remove this drain here, and you can remove one more layer that should allow you plenty of room for, I would say, maybe a 20 ounce coffee mug. Like if you have the 32 ounce Yeti, that's not going to fit in here. I can tell you that's not going to fit. But the 20 ounce Yeti or the light or something like that might would fit. So that's that. We went over the filters that come with it, and the last and final piece, really, well, second to last piece, is you're going to put water into here, it looks like. And it looks like it goes up to 14 ounces. So I would say definitely keep it under a 20 ounce. So what you'll do is you'll pour your water into here. And then right here on the side, there are two buttons. One says capsule and one says ground. And depending on which option you go with, in here is depending on which button you hit. So if you're grounding your coffee or using ground coffee, you're going to hit the ground button, and then same for using the Keurig pod. Let's plug her in. And I actually did pick me up a few Keurig pods so that we can see it in action. Okay. We're actually going to go with a non-alcoholic Kahlua coffee. So let's get that going. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that I have the right amount of water for my cup of coffee here. So I'm going to pour it into my cup just to make sure I'm not overshooting the limits. And I know that's not a 14 ounce cup, but I like to make sure I have the same amount of coffee as I do water in there. Otherwise you're going to overflow your water, your coffee, and make a damn mess. I like to always live by the law of don't make a damn mess. So now we're going to pour this water making sure I don't have any other plastic or anything in there. take our K-cup, put it in there, shut it down. You can hear the blade or sharp object pierce through the K-cup. Now, I'm going to turn it sideways because I don't want to mess up anything, the water. But now on the side here, I'm going to hit capsule. See there that I hit capsule, and all right, you see here the water's steaming up. Hear it percolating. It may look like smoke. It's not smoke. It doesn't smell like smoke. I actually stopped the video as you saw the edit cut there, and I had to wait about 3 or 4 minutes. For it to heat up. Oh my God, that smells so good. That smells delicious. Here we go. Okay, let's put our goodies in there to see how it came out tasting, see if it tastes burnt or anything. All right, so we're gonna make our coffee here. I mean, mix in the goods. I'm a heavy whipping cream and sugar, just regular sugar guy. I really like the flavored creamers. I don't mind flavored coffee, but I don't love the flavored creamers. So I'm gonna mix her in here just a bit. Mix her up. Cheers. Oh yeah, that's a good cup of coffee. Doesn't have a burnt flavor, no kind of sourness or weird metallic-y or plasticky flavor. Tastes like a nice brewed K-cup of coffee. And of course, if you've ever used a K-cup, cleanup is a cinch. Take that. Throw it in your garbage. I just thought everyone might enjoy seeing this review and unboxing. I don't know that I've done an unboxing on my channel before. Usually I think unboxings are boring, especially if it's some shit that you've already seen. An unboxing of an iPhone, sometimes even unboxing a GPS. If I see 100 videos of something already, I'm not going to do it. I didn't even search this, so it could be already on the internet, and I know I butchered it. But this was a truck driver's version of unboxing a 1999 Walmart single serve coffee maker. Hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, drive on, driver. Y'all stay safe out there.